Hello. So this is a hack. I got a smart hack for you. These pants is I bought it a few weeks ago, last month in Tigora, and it was fit in my waist like that. So after a few wash in the washing machine, of course, it becomes like this. So I cannot wear it. What I did is I grabbed this old garter from my old track pants, and I made a hole here, just a small hole, just to insert this one, to fit this one. Okay, and then I made it now. So just now I finish it. But because this material, this after few wash, it will be ripping apart this small hole here. See, so I made it. I sew it with my hand saw, this one and this one as well. So it's hand saw. Can you see it? And I will do this first, and I will do this also. Now I can wear it now. See, it's like a track pants now. All right. And there is also one more hack for me, smart tips for you that I just discovered. So because I cannot really see the small hole here, what I did, I used this masking tape. It's a masking tape, and use the edge, take the edge of the yarn, the thread, and then cut it, attach it to the tape like this. And when you finish attaching it, the tape like that, you need to like this. So you cut it like this. Then when you cut it, that's the time you can insert it here. Easy. Mm-hmm. Mm. See? Easy. Easy. See, and then you can pull it. See? So I made that one. That's a smart hack I just discovered. Alright, thank you for watching.